Hello everyone, today I am in Ban Wang Tan, San Pak Wan district, Hang Dong district. This house is very close to the city. It's only 15 to 20 minute drive to the city, and it's also close to Chiang Mai International Airport, the hospital like Chiang Mai Krai Mall Hospital, and the shopping mall like Robinson Shopping Mall. And it's also close to our amenity like the restaurant and the cafe. And the house that I'm going to show you, the land size is about 213 square wa, and the use space is about 348 square meter. It's a fully furnished house, 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom. So let's start with the front house. On both sides, it has got the green plants that is give the feeling very greenery, and the wall on both sides is have decorated with the red brick that make the wall look stunning. And this gate is just only the sliding gate, but it's also has got this a small gate just in case that you have a guest come over but don't need to drive the car in, then you just only use this one. And on my left hand side, it has got one CCTV camera. And on both sides is a lovely garden. That corner you can decorate it to be a really lovely sitting area. And this corner I really love about it. As you see, it's have decorated with all the plants, it's have the tree, and give the feeling like you live in an oasis. It's really nice. It would be nice that every morning you come and then you enjoy your coffee here with your book that you love to read all year. This house, the house structure is really good because it has built to earthquake resistant. So if you want to know how good structure of this house is, you have to come and take a look. This drive-in and the car park is will fit for 2 cars, but it also can park on this side, so total it will be around 4. And the front gate, that is northwest facing. On both sides there are entrance, but the main one will be here. But I will take you to that entrance so that you will see how lovely of the terrace. When you step up on the stair, this will be a terrace where you can enjoy the view from your garden. This area, that right now is a dining area, but you can change it to be an office or another bedroom because it has got many windows around, and it allows you to see the view from the garden as well. This house is fully furnished. It has come with 1 air conditioner in this room, and the main furniture will include except some personal stuff and some furniture that it may not include. This is the main entrance for this house. It's also got the same sliding door, and it has got a set of the sofa, and the bookshelf is really lovely. This room, at the moment, the owner has used this as a cash room. Not quite sure if we can go inside, but let me see. So at the moment, you have 4 or 5 cats in here. And next to this one, this is a dining area that is have access of the table and chair. Got a big window here. You also can change this room to be a bedroom as well. You just have to add a proper door here, and it has got the bathroom on the first floor, so it's convenient. Right behind, this is a storage under the staircase. It's quite spacious as well. Oh, one thing, this furniture, this is the one that I'm talking about, that it will not be included in the purchase price. And here is what I'm talking about, why it's so convenient if you're going to change it to the bedroom, because it has got a bathroom here. It's really modern design. Look at the kitchen top, and it's come with the rain shower heads as well. Let's go check the kitchen. This kitchen is Western kitchen. It has come with everything that you need, like microwave, oven, refrigerator, a stove with hood, and the window. And right next to this one, this is a laundry area. It's always good to have a laundry in the house. So it has come with washing machine, the dryer, and right next to this one, this is a storage to keep some gardening or cleaning stuff. And this door will take you to the back of the house. At the moment, the owner have used this as a house dog. The second floor, the staircase is really beautiful. This is a wood staircase. It also has got a window here where it will allow to get the nature light. This staircase is had decorated with this chandelier, really beautiful, and the floor, this is a tile floor. So let's start with my right hand side. This area, you can change it to be a lovely sitting area. It has got the big window. I think the window all around the house is around 51 window, and every window has got insect screen. This one, I would say this is a multiple rooms. At the moment, it has got the sink, and right next to this one, this is another toilet. It's really nice design, black contrast with a white tile, really nice. And this room, I would say this is a master bedroom number 1. It has got suite bathroom with the bathtub, nice design. And all the furniture here is a wooden furniture, like this wardrobe. This is a wood wardrobe. The bed, it has got a big window all around the room. That makes the room more spacious. And it has got this sliding glass door that access to this terrace where you can enjoy your coffee or your tea in the afternoon. Let's go check the other parts of this house. And this corner, this is the Buddhist statue that is really beautiful. And right behind this door, this is a storage, but at the moment the owner uses as crosses. And this room, it was a bedroom before, but right now the owner has turned it to be a gym room. It has got a beautiful wardrobe and big window on both sides. And the master bedroom number 2. This master bedroom number 2, it has got a beautiful bathroom with the bathtub. And all the furniture here are matching with the other. This bedroom has got a big window as well with a mosquito screen. And this sliding door that is connected to its own balcony. This area you can use this as another sitting area where you can enjoy the noise from the birds, and also you can enjoy the view from the garden. This one is really smart idea. It will help to block the sun not to hit the house. And this house, I can feel that once you're inside the house, the temperature is more cooler than outside. So what do you think about this house? Well, additional information about the backyard is it has got a water tank and also storage for the gardening. And this house, the land size is about 213 square watt, and use space is about 348 square meter. It's really spacious, big house with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, fully furnished and ready to move in. To get to this house, let's say that you start from Chiang Mai International Airport. Just get on the road 108, and once you see the big sign, it says the new concept condominium. Just turn left right there and follow the road, and then you will see Ban Wang Tan village. This village is also close to Chiang Mai International Airport, the Robinson Shopping Mall, Bangkok Hospital, Chiang Mai Krai Mall Hospital, and also Gat Farang, and many fresh markets and convenience store around. So for more information, please comment or call me at this number, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss a great property from us. See you next time. Bye.